Okay, so when I give you the test, you have to see very carefully what I'm asking you. So like this one, compare with other question. What's the name for one question 1 to 5? What's the name I use? Chi-square for independence. Okay, and that is when you try to compare more than 2 groups, their association with their choice. Okay, now this one actually you want to see as a one group. Okay, how do people, they have different opinion. Okay, and for example, right now, you maybe ask people how much they agree with wear mask, right? So, for example, you have 48% disagree with importance of wear mask. 52% agree wear mask is important. Okay, with these 2 percentage, how do you know they are different? So, for example, if you use Google form, they give you all the percentage. Okay, if you want to use those information, then on top of that, you need to give me chi-square for goodness fit. Then you count, you have a doing hypothesis test. Okay, don't just give me those percentage. That means nothing. Okay, because we don't know are they significant or not. Okay, so that's why I also, since we have time, so I'm going to help you to learn how to do this. This is also very easy. Okay, it's a little bit complicated than another one because you need to go to 2 places. Okay, so the first one, okay, so let's see, chi-square goodness fit to test various morning people at the alpha level 0.05. Okay, now, when you do the hypothesis, okay, they are different, then you do chi-square for independence. Okay, you don't see like association. Okay, you will say they are equal distribution or equal percentage. Whatever you say, but then show, ideally we say morning and non-morning person, they are the same. We have 50% morning person, 50% non-morning person. Okay, here say, but there is not equal. They are not equal. Okay, so if you use this form, sometimes students confuse because we say not always exists in null hypothesis. But if you say like this, actually not exists in the research hypothesis. Okay, so here say they are equal. Assume 50% people will agree with mask, 50% disagree. Okay, then research hypothesis say no, there should be different percentage of people agree about mask. Okay, so that's your research hypothesis. Okay, so first of all, let's go to run frequency to get this number first. Okay, you still remember how to go to frequency, right? How do we go to frequency? You go to what? Analyze, descriptive, and frequency. Okay, and then say morning person. Okay, and just say okay. Don't need to choose anything, just say okay. Okay, so now you have percentage. So let's copy this table. Just copy the percentage here. Go to your Word document. Okay. On top, oops. Okay, on top of this table. Okay, so let's just copy this number. So we have, okay, the first one is not, so that should become here. So 14 people, they are not morning person. It's a 46.7%. And then 16%, they are morning person. And they are 53.3. Oh, where do I write that? Okay. Okay, now let's go back to our data. Okay, so now we need to find the chi-square for goodness fit. And they are different place. Okay, please remember they are different place. Okay, this one go to a place a non-parametric test. Do you see that? Non-parametric. Okay, find that? Okay, then go to latency dialog. And then you see chi-square. Got it? Okay, non-parametric, latency dialog, chi-square. Okay, you click in. Okay, then pick your morning person and say okay. Okay. Yes? Okay. So you go to analyze non-parametric. Got it? And then latency dialog. Okay? And chi-square. Okay? And then you put your morning person there and say okay. Now, we don't need this table because this table didn't give you any percentage. I just need this test statistic, the one you see chi-square. So copy this one. Okay. And go to your Word document. Okay, and then, I'm in the wrong spot. Okay, then paste before the table. Okay, paste here. Okay, so I want you to put your chi-square there, 0.133. Your SIG is 0.715. Okay, so now a chi-square of goodness of fit test was calculated compared to frequency occurrence of morning and non-morning person. No significant because it's greater than 0.05. Deviation from the hypothesis value was found. So chi-square, okay, degree of freedom is 1. Equal 0.133. P is greater than 0.05. Fail to reject. So it's a little bit different with different purpose, okay? Any questions for this one? I'll let you run number 7, and then if you have a question, let me know. So even I only have 2 questions, so.
You want us to do our own hypothesis?
Yeah, yes. So there's an equal distribution among what? I'm asking about working status. Okay, so among, we have 3 working status, right? So no job, part-time, and full-time. Okay, you need a list of them. No job, part-time, full-time. There's not equal distribution among no job, full-time, and part-time. And then you have to go to frequency, got their percentage, and then go to chi-square.